This is a CSS ball. This is a bouncing ball, and it is basically made using CSS animations. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this ball and also have the basics of CSS animations. So this is project number 97 in our 100 HTML CSS projects. So I'll just show you the code and explain to you. So in the HTML file, we shall just create a div class and call it ball. And that is all in our HTML. And then we shall write the CSS. This is just basically styling the body. We give it display flex that justify content, align, center, height just to center the image, and then the background color. So after that, we give a style to the ball, which is basically width, height, the border radius, the position, and we use this animation bounce 2 seconds infinite for it to bounce. And then here we shall give it keyframes on how high it should jump, 0% slash 100%, top 0, and then 50% and top to 200 pixels. You'll find the source code in the description. So basically that is it.